Hello, just making a video here. I'm going to try to fix this part. It has started to crack over here, so I'm gonna try to remove this one by loosening these two screws here. And then I was told you just needed to do I was told this comes out, but it doesn't. Let's see here. I guess we have to loosen these ones as well. There are two locking rings here. A bit tricky. Feels like these ones are really easy to lose. Let's hope I don't. Here's one. Can you detach? Okay, it comes off like that. Two. Then I usually try to put these things in a Ziploc bag in order not to lose them. Let's see if I have any free Ziploc bags. I'll use this one. So these are the two locking nuts or locking rings. 1, 2, and these two screws. Here. I'm gonna put them aside, store them in under the passenger seat, and hope I remember that I store them there. I don't know if you can see here, but it started to crack here. This is what I'm gonna try to solve. And while I have this unattached, I think I'm gonna try to redress this with another type of leather, like I have done inside here. This didn't turn out great, but I'm gonna try to use this same fabric to cover this whole piece. But we'll stop here.